How are you doing today?
All right.
Just gonna take a look inside.
Looks like there's something stuck in here.
Yeah,
Ever since she was born, it's been just the two of us.
Hi.
We were really happy
had some sleep.
until I started having these dreams. Maya? I'm scaring my daughter. I need someone to tell me how to stop this.
Those are not dreams, Gemma. You have a rare gift. The ability to travel into the realm between this world and the next one. But you can do something I didn't know was possible. You can bring demons back to the human world permanently.
What happens if I can't control this? Maya? Maya?